Do you think a girl in Florida would be feeling bad about Deepika Padukone's Times of India cleavage controversy? I'm talking about a girl who just surgically got operated and got a third breast. यहाँ दीपिका पादुकोण की एक cleavage नहीं संभाली जा रही है Times of India से. And that girl there, just because she wants to be a television celebrity, has gotten two now.
Oh! I think I've heard about it.
Yeah.
I'm not so sure, but I don't know. I think so. I'm not so
Look at his face. He's just, I don't know.
It's very
I don't know.
weird. It's very absurd and weird. I don't know.
What comes in your mind when I say the word cleavage?
Sexy.
What comes in your mind when I say the word boobs?
The generic situation is distracting.
It's not a word. It's basically like a whole paragraph.
Have you recently heard a word called cleavage too much in the news?
Yeah.
It was regarding POI, talking about Deepika Padukone.
So what do you have to say about that?
Many people may have different point of view. Means you will think according to Deepika Padukone or according to Times of India.
They shouldn't be doing it, and come on, guys, their life. Let them do whatever they want to. I mean,
I felt it was a media kind of thing. And
So you thought it was okay for Times of India to take advantage of a profession and post something like this?
I'm just saying that it's if you have it, you show it, and people should not judge it.
that's why she tweeted. After that, also they put the blame on her.
Backlash, yeah.
There was a whole front page article about how she's shown her cleavage in all the other photo shoots and magazines.
We are in a democratic country, so we have right to wear what we want to.
She's an actor, but still you should respect her clothes, whatever she's wearing. Just because she's an actress, that's why she's getting like so much limelight. Otherwise, you see 10 girls showing their cleavage here.
Yeah. But dude, I love Deepika.
Yeah, even
I love Deepika. She's hot.
Oh my god. I would die for that song. I would.
Dude, I would kill you for that butt. Hottest cleavage in Bollywood.
Priyanka.
Rakhi Sawant. I mean,
I'll choose between Sunny Leon and
Sunny Deol. I will show you some cleavages. You guys have to rate it. Sunil Sethi.
5.
minus
Superb.
2.
-2.
oh my, the biggest boobs.
Oh, yeah.
That's the best cleavage. Come on, Amal.
Now see, you see this. What do you think?
What is your reaction to this?
What the fuck is this?
Everyone has a cleavage, so like, what's the big deal?
Last but not the least, the cleavage which is as deep as the Grand Canyons, that runs till Kanyakumari, which runs till the toes. You decide. Do you feel as wet as him? Ta-da-dang!
Jesus Christ.
Don't move away from him. He'll not bite. Don't. He'll not bite at all.
Guy has his things, a girl has a cleavage.
What things are we talking about in terms of guys? Just draw a specimen of the cleavage. How deep would you be okay with it?
For me, right?
ये तो दिख भी नहीं रहा है.
Maybe a net thing over here where the cleavage is being shown. I think that's more sexy than going all.
That's going too much.
Sunny Leone.
Yes.
No, Achal, don't.
I have to show.
Don't do that.
Basically, she wants it.
No.
I, in my life, have never seen a cleavage like this. Is that less?
No. Is that less? Something very minimal. I cannot imagine. Oh no, this is not less.
Oh, I should change the top. Acha, can you just give me your finger? So this was Mumbai on cleavage going. Yes, whenever you see a nice one, you want to go. I think Times of India also wanted to go. But anyways, you should comment down below. Let us know what your views are about this video. And share it, like it, subscribe to our channel Being Indian. And guess what? Next week we are coming to Hyderabad. And we would really appreciate if someone could help us out there. So let us know and we will get in touch with you. Until then,
Acha, listen, I'm going to Bangkok. No, Hong Kong. Ha ha.